Let's talk about nurses. Nurses work in hospitals, clinics, and even homes. Nurses wear a uniform at work. The uniform is usually white or light blue. Every day, nurses check patients' temperatures with a thermometer. A high temperature is not good. Nurses also check blood pressure. They put a special cuff around the arm and check the reading. Nurses use a stethoscope to listen to the heart and lungs. A stethoscope is an important tool. Nurses give patients medicine. Medicine helps the body fight illness and heal. Some nurses give injections. They use a small needle to put medicine or a vaccine into the body. Nurses clean cuts and cover wounds. They use bandages and medical tape to help it heal. Nurses write careful notes every day. The notes include temperature, blood pressure, medicine, and condition. Nurses work in shifts. A day shift starts in the morning, and a night shift starts in the evening. Some nurses work all through the night. They look after patients and call a doctor if they need help. Nurses work as part of a team with doctors. Good teamwork is very important in a hospital. Nurses study for many years at a nursing school. They learn about the body, diseases, and medicine. Nursing is an important job. Nurses are kind, calm, and caring.